Hi, you are watching channel Math and Method Academy. In this video, we are going to evaluate the given arithmetic expressions by applying BODMAS rule. If you want to understand BODMAS rule in detail, then you can watch one of my videos, link of which is given in the description of this video. So let's move on toward the solution of this question. Before we go for the solution, let us briefly understand what BODMAS is. Let's write it. BODMAS. Here each letter stands for some word. B stands for brackets. We have four types of bracket here: line bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. Then O stands for order. Order means some power of any number, square root of any number, etc. D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So any expression that we need to solve, we have to follow the same sequence. We will apply the same sequence in the expression to solve it. That is, first of all, we will go for the bracket. So in the given expression, we have only one bracket here. So 3 into 4. What will be the square root of 5? It is 25. Okay, 4 into 25 is 100. Since that was the only number left there, that's why we have removed the bracket. Okay, now we have an expression with almost all the signs, that is plus, minus, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will go for the division first. 3 into 100. We can replace division with multiplication if we write the reciprocal of the number which is written with the division. So reciprocal of 6 will be 1 over 6. Okay, let us solve now. Now we have three numbers with multiplication sign in between, so we can solve all the three together. 6, 3, 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, and here it will go by 50. So we have 1 into 50 into 1 is equal to 50, plus 7 minus 8. 50 plus 7 is 57 minus 8, and 57 minus 8 is equal to 49, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.